Children, listen. Now we are going to solve the question number 5 from exercise number 3.3. Solve by substitution method. Our question is, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to the both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction they are asking. So in the beginning, we don't know what is a fraction itself. So let us consider. So let the fraction be. So let the fraction be x by y. So now we are going to do the problem. Now the fraction will become 9 by 11 if 2 is added with the numerator and denominator. Suppose if you are adding 2 with the numerator and 2 with the denominator, my fraction will become 9 by 11. So this is a given condition now. Second condition, if 3 is added to the both the numerator and denominator, it will become 5 by 6. So that is x plus 3 by y plus 3, which is equal to 5 by 6. So that is the second condition given. First we need to simplify this to make an equation. Then we should go for a solving. Just to do the cross multiplication. So this is 11 into x plus 2, which is equal to 9 into y plus 2 it will be. So multiply inside. So 11x plus 22, which is equal to 9y plus 18. So bring the variables to one side, number to another side. So this is 11x, this plus 9y will become minus 9y, which is equal to 18 plus 22 will become minus 22 here. Now 11x minus 9y, which is equal to minus 4. So this is my first equation now. Now from here I am going to do the second equation. Again do the cross multiplication. So 6 into x plus 3, which is equal to 5 into y plus 3 we can write. Multiply inside. 6 into x will be 6x, 3, 6 are 18, which is equal to 5 into y is equal to 5y, and 5 3s are 15. Bring the variable to one side. So x you just keep this side. Plus 5y will become minus 5y here. This side we are having 15. This plus 18, if you take it to other side, it will become minus 18. Now we can write 6x minus 5y, which is equal to minus 3. This is my second equation. We need to solve these two equations now. But in our question they have given us, we need to solve by substitution method. So here from the first equation I am going to get my x value, that I am going to substitute it in my second equation. So here 11x is equal to, this is minus 4, this plus minus 9y, if you take it in this side, this will become plus 9y. I want only my x value, so the multiplication 11 also you take it to other side, it will become division. So minus 4 plus 9y by 11 we can write. So this is my x value. So this x value I have to substitute in my second equation. So we are going to substitute now. Now substitute x value. Now 6 into, in the place of x I have to take minus 4 plus 9y by 11, which minus 5y is equal to minus 3 we are having now. So the minus 5y I am going to take it to other side. So the value will be, so the 6 also we can multiply inside. So 6 4s are 24, and 6 into 9 will be 54y by 11, which is equal to minus 3. This minus 5y will become plus 5y here. Now this one, that 11 in the division, if you take it into other side, it will become multiplication. So minus 24 plus 54y, which is equal to minus 3 plus 5y into 11 we have to take. Now the 11 should be multiplied inside. So minus 24 plus 54y, which is equal to 11 3s are 33, and 11 into 5 will be 55y we are getting. We need to bring the y to one side, number to another side. So the minus 33 I am going to bring it to this side. So that is minus 24 plus 33, which is equal to, here I am already having 55y. This minus plus 54, if we take it on the other side, that will become minus 54y. So 55y minus 54y will become y. So y is equal to, so 55y minus 54 will give you 1y, which is equal to 33 minus 24 will give you 9. So y is equal to 9 we got. So the y value should be substituted in the place of x to get your x value. So let us substitute here. Actually x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11. This y value what we got is, y is equal to 9 we got. Let us substitute here to get your x value. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 9, and in the place of y alone you take this value 9 by 11 we are having, that you just write it. So x is equal to, so minus 4, 9 9s are, it will be So 9 9s are 81 we are getting by 11. So 81 minus 4 will give you 77 by 11. So 11 7 times. So x is equal to 7. So the fraction what we assumed is x by y. Here my x value is 7 and y value is 9. That is your required fraction. So that's it, your solution, children. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.